Burned out by work? These 7 energy hacks will supercharge you.
Start with the solar salute. Sunlight first thing every morning.
Stand at the window for 2 minutes. Reset your circadian rhythm with daylight.
Do 30 seconds of star jumps. Get blood pumping immediately.
Drink 250 milliliters of water with a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes.
Finish with 1 minute of deep belly breaths. Oxygen fuels your brain.
This 4-step morning ritual primes your energy for hours.
Adjust jumps for space constraints. Desk stretches work just as well.
Swap salt for a slice of lemon. Vitamin C boosts alertness.
Combine with a brisk 1-minute walk if weather allows.
End by reviewing your top 3 daily goals. Clarity sustains energy.
Cycle this 12-frame morning ritual 5 times across varied settings.
Hack 2. The 5-minute micro nap. Reset your mind in seconds.
Set a gentle alarm tone. Avoid jarring wake-ups.
Close your eyes, relax jaw. Let thoughts drift like clouds.
When the alarm rings, sit up slowly and stretch arms overhead.
Combine with the 4-7-8 breath to lock in the calm.
Micronaps improve alertness by up to 30%. Science backs it.
Use between deep tasks, never more than 5 minutes.
Swap chair for a floor mat or sofa. Comfort enhances reset.
Avoid caffeine immediately after. Let the nap's effect fully sink in.
Track your nap quality. Note how you feel on awakening.
End with a 2-minute walk, get the blood flowing again.
Cycle this 12-frame micro nap routine 5 times in different environments.
Hack 3. The 30-gram power snack. Steady fuel without crashes.
Every 2 hours, eat nuts for healthy fats and berries for antioxidants.
Sip water infused with cucumber or mint continuously.
Avoid sugar spikes. Skip candies and juice.
Swap nuts for a protein ball if you crave variety. Combine snacking with a 2-minute stretch, dual energy and movement.
Hydration goal: 250 milliliters every 30 minutes. Use a marked water bottle.
Caffeine? Delay it until after your snack ritual for balanced energy. End with a mindful bite. Focus on taste for slow, sustained fuel. Track snack timing. Note which combos boost your performance most. Use light music or ambient sound. Avoid screens during snack breaks. Cycle this 12-frame snack and sip routine 5 times with varied combos.
Hack 4. Deskercise. Micro workouts at your desk to beat fatigue.
Do 10 chair squats each hour. Sit halfway, stand, repeat.
Follow with 20 arm circles, loosen shoulders, and boost flow. Add 15 seated leg raises under the desk, core engagement as you type. Finish with 30 seconds of wall push-ups, upper body activation. These moves fight posture slump and revive your energy. Swap squats for lunges if you have space. Keep it dynamic. Use a timer or habit app. Reminders keep you consistent. Combine with the micro nap hack. Follow up exercise with a quick rest. Track movement impact. Note energy levels after each session. Share a deskercise tip with a colleague. Social accountability helps. Cycle this 12-frame deskercise routine 5 times across varied workspaces. Hack 5. The 4-7-8 breath. Calm focus in 1 minute. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Repeat 4 times. This lowers cortisol and sharpens attention almost instantly. Use before challenging tasks, presentations, calls, or coding sprints. Add gentle shoulder rolls during exhales for extra release. Swap counts to 3-4-5 for simplicity if you're pressed for time. Combine with a deskercise stretch for full body reset. Track stress levels before and after. Journal before versus after scores. Use a focus app reminder. Stay consistent throughout the day. Challenge yourself. Build to 8 repetitions over a week. Feel the calm ripple through your work and watch productivity climb. Cycle this 12-frame breath pause routine 5 times in varied contexts. Hack 6.
The 60-second digital detox. Screen down, mind up. Look at something green, a plant or outdoor view, for 30 seconds. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. Let your optic nerves rest. Roll your neck gently to release screen neck tension. Take one deep breath before picking screens back up. Combine with gratitude hack. Thank your senses for the pause.
Track your screen time reduction. Note improved focus after each break.
Use break reminders. Alarms or Pomodoro timers keep you honest.
Swap plant gazing for wall art if no window access.
Use a simple stretching motion if you can't close your eyes. And by tapping your device back into landscape orientation. Cycle this 12-frame detox microbreak 5 times across work rhythms. Hack 7. 2-minute social reset. Pause the people-pleasing to recharge. Put on noise-canceling headphones for one song. Block the noise. Walk for 2 minutes. Clear mental clutter between interactions. Journal 1 neutral observation. Shift from emotional to objective. Smile while journaling. Dopamine boost without social input. Combine with breath. Pause for extra calm. Use a gentle reminder, sticky note, or app alert to trigger reset. Track mood shifts before and after. Note improved patience. Swap walking for seated meditation if space is limited. Share your reset tip with a friend. Social accountability helps. And with a mini affirmation, I recharge to show up fully. Cycle this 12-frame social reset hack 5 times in varied settings. Hack 8. 60-second gratitude. End each hour with thankfulness. Name one thing you appreciate right now, simple and sincere. Smile as you do it. Dopamine amplifies energy boost. Whisper your gratitude for extra embodied focus. Combine with a 2-minute walk for full mind-body refresh. Track your energy score. Note uplift after gratitude moments. Use reminders. Hourly chimes or calendar alerts keep you consistent. Swap whispering for silent thought if you're in public. And with a deep breath of appreciation, feel it spread through you. Add a Post-it to your workspace reading, "Thank you, mind and body." Cycle this 12-frame gratitude moment 5 times throughout your day. Reflect weekly on themes. What keeps lifting you?